zero time left for H2Oi, and we're still cutting up the Huracan. Come here to Limitless real quick to do a quick oil change, make sure the car is running healthy. All right, it's 11:30 p.m. We still haven't left. I don't think we're making it to H2Oi.
We didn't lose it.
Wow, look at that. Look at that. So this car still has the original oil from when I bought it. So it's finally time to do an oil change. We're gonna be trailering the car to H2Oi. So we've come here to Limitless real quick to do a quick oil change, make sure the car is running healthy for it to be down in Ocean City, Maryland. And they're getting ready to work on the car. So Terry, give us a little rundown.
Gotta take all this off.
Look at all these bolts. There's like 10 million bolts down here. Wow. And where does the oil come out of? A lot of drain holes. Black.
So you need to change this oil more often. The oil was also real black. Well, my hand's black too, but it's black. Definitely done.
Damn. So we are installing our slip low on the car right now. First of all, they gave us 2 alcohol pads to clean the underbase of the car first. So here you go, Brendan. I'll take one, you take one. We'll do half. I'll do this half, you do the other half. Yeah, look at that. Alright, cool, it's good. So we're gonna start from the middle and go outwards. I'm gonna have Brandon start with the first one.
So we go like this.
Yeah,
Close
try
as
to
possible
to the edge. Make sure you guys check them out on Instagram. I'll put a link in the description. It is a universal skid plate for any car. No matter what car you have, you can use this thing.
Right there? Yeah. Close to the edge.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Damn, it's great. It looks clean too. It looks super clean. And you will not see this once the car is on the ground. Guys, you really can't go wrong with this. For the price that they're asking for this, I feel like every car, no matter what car you have, you gotta put this on your car. It's super easy to install, and if I can do it, anybody can do it. It's 10 p.m. We were supposed to be on the way to H2Oi, but we still have to go to Exclusive Vinyl, finish cutting off stickers, hopefully get at least 2 hours of sleep in, and then head to Ocean City.
There's a lot of time into this. A lot of time.
Into what?
Like you see, mad work. From full white to this.
Yeah. What was it?
So you wrapped the whole car?
Since 9 a.m. in the morning. We
whole
just
car?
finished before we came here, yeah.
Over 12 hours.
Oh, I thought
12 hours, yeah. Last and final step, they're gonna be adding 10 quarts to the car. We're gonna start it, let it run, check the fluids, and add another 3 quarts. Look at that fresh oil.
Teamwork.
Slow, bro.
Yo, bro.
Start it up.
Yep. Go ahead, sir. Gonna warm up a little bit.
So that's gonna end it for us over here at Limitless. The car took 13.5 quarts of oil, and I stole 2 just in case the car is low on oil. Thank you guys so much.
No problem.
Thank you, Brandon. Thank you,
Thank
Terry.
you, guys.
And we will see you guys next time when we need an oil change or anything done. So let's hop in. We're heading out to Exclusive Vinyl. We're almost ready for H2Oi 2019. We have to cut up CARTELFUNDS Huracan and get Roman's Huracan ready. So let's hop in the SV and head over to Exclusive Vinyl. All right, guys, we finally made it here to Exclusive Vinyl. They have a couple builds going on. It's Saturday. H2Oi already started, and we have to get Roman's car ready. Come here. This 335 is almost done. And this Widebody kit's almost installed. And the Lamborghini Huracan and Gabby's car is almost done as well. You're like shaking. Oh my god.
Widebody kit install.
How long did it take you to do it?
2.5 days non-stop.
Oh my god. Plus he's working on this Subaru and his own car as well. And this 335, so it's crazy. Crazy what you can do over here. Good morning, people. We bear breakfast. Fuel your minds. Guys, I don't think we're making it to H2O. I have very bad hope.
Let me hold it, you hold it. I hold. Come on, button this one. You okay, Zane?
So basically what's going on with Cartel Funds Huracan is they worked all night to make sure these wheels fit. Let's go outside. Cartel Funds did a full prior design body kit on his car. It looks absolutely crazy, and it is the same color as the Lam Talk Huracan. It is currently 6 p.m. We have a 5-hour drive ahead of us. Mr. Demo over here is helping me finish up Gabby's car. If you guys want to check out her channel, this is it. Fabulous Gab. I cannot talk right now, I'm super tired. But I'm about to get this car done.
Up? Yeah, you good? Yeah.
Let's go to the other side. He locked it. Oh, yummy that looks.
What the f is that? Is that real?
Yeah! No reaction at all. I threw that next to Jordan, he freaked out.
What? It's real. It died in our shop.
Oh my god. You heard that? Oh, he knew about it. I love this place. Right, Avi? Don't you love this place? Alright, it's 11:30 p.m. We still haven't left. I guess we're gonna enjoy Sunday of H2O. We are still chopping stuff off of Cartel Funds Huracan. Look at that. Roman hasn't slept in like 48 hours. This is absolutely crazy. So we have 0 time left for H2Oi, and we're still cutting up the Huracan. So Cartel Funds Huracan is finally ready. Full wide body install kit.